Bonjour, excusez-moi, I was just powdering my nose. Welcome back to Angelica's Kitchen Lab, and today we'll transfer it to France. And of course, as you can see, we'll be cooking in the kitchen of Marie Antoinette. She loved her pastries and cakes so much, then she had her own kitchen. So, and what could be the best, the most famous French dessert? Éclair. So éclair was originated not in France, as everybody thinks. Actually, it was brought to French court in 16th century by Italian chef Popellini. And in 19th century, famous French chef Antoine Carmen made the éclair as known today. So for the éclair, we need three parts. We need choux dough, which is the pastry itself. We need cream, and we need chocolate ganache. So it's not as complicated as a lot of people think, and today I'll try to prove it. And one more thing, French love it so much, they even designated one day as Éclair Day, June 22nd. They forget about all the diet and munch on the pastry all day long. So, what we need? So we'll need flour, we need chocolate, cornstarch, water, a little bit of salt. I would use real vanilla, which I'm gonna make vanille caviar. So sugar, milk, and cream. And so, let's begin. So we will start with crème pâtissière, which is actually custard cream. So first we'll need milk. And I'll put it on a medium heat to make it warm and slightly bubbling. While the milk's warming up, we'll mix egg yolks, sugar, and I will put it on a medium heat and we'll start whisking it. Now we'll add cornstarch and just continue mix it until it's all well combined. So we'll just continue stir it. I'm looking at the milk, it starts bubbling and the color should be pale yellow. That's a beautiful pale yellow color. The milk starts bubbling, all right? And now I will add it here with a very, very thin stream. And immediately we'll just continue stirring. And we'll continue until it starts thickens. Our cream nice and thick. Now we'll transfer it here. Oh, how beautiful it is. Custard cream looks beautiful, nice and thick, not even single lump. And now we'll add vanilla. All right. I don't use any vanilla extract or powder. I use real Madagascar, amazingly delicious vanilla. And now we'll do from that vanilla caviar. And this is it, your vanilla caviar. You see, those tiny, tiny speckles of vanilla inside the cream that it makes to smell spectacular. The aroma just absolutely amazing. Right, so now we'll just cover our beautiful custard cream and put it in the fridge to cool down. So this will prevent a skin forming on the top. Just like that. And I forgot to introduce my little helper here today. It's Bruna. He's just learning and he will definitely would like to help me with the pastry choux. The first step in preparing our dough, we'll need to combine butter and pour water and salt. And we'll just put it on a medium heat until it all melted together. So our butter almost ready. It's all mixed together, and now we'll add flour. Okay, our butter is melted with water, and next step to add flour. So we do it all at once and continue to stir until it's all incorporated together. And we will be continue to stir it together until the fluids will evaporate and dough kind of shrink together. This way it's become even a little bit less in amount, but it's gonna be ready. So we'll just continue until the fluids will evaporate. And the way to know is your dough is ready, just to see kind of like dry film on the bottom of your saucepan. All right, I like it. Nice elastic dough. It's easily coming out of the walls and dry film is forming. So it means we're ready. Transfer to the mixer and we'll mix it on a small until it's cooled down. Okay, so the dough nice and warm, not hot, and now I can add eggs. So we'll be adding one egg at a time, and each time we'll see how smooth our dough becomes. We don't want to overdo it. Maybe we will need 3 eggs or 4. We'll see. So this is the dough after 1 egg. It's kind of not all the way smooth, so we just keep adding another egg. You see how it's falling off by itself? It means it's getting to the point we need. So we'll add another egg. That's almost perfect, almost. It's falling off, it's super smooth, and now we'll just add final egg. And voila, that's how it's supposed to be. Nice, smooth, shiny, and it just keep floating down like silk. All right, so this is good. And I still will stir a little bit more with my spoon, okay? I love it. It's just amazing. So this is our choux dough. It's hot here. So our dough is ready. It's called Choux Pastry, and it will go to 10 to 12 minutes for 425 Fahrenheit. And then we will reduce heat for 375. Let's go. I'll prepare this cooling rack for our choux dough, almost ready. And let's do the sneak peek how they're looking. We have another 12 minutes left. Oh my God! Ta, 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 ta. Voila! More. And while they're finishing, we'll do our ganache. Let's prepare ganache. We'll put heavy cream and make it almost boil. And get our chocolate chips ready. All right, so cream is ready, and now we put in our chocolate. And I'll mix it all together. And that's how we do ganache. We'll just fill the pastry with the cream. Okay, now it's time to cover it with ganache. Okay, so eclairs ready. They all cool down. There is a glaze, golden powder, and a little decorations. So they're delicious, and I highly recommend to do them. Let them eat cake.